Yes, China did it. And this time around, you can make use of your AI free tools to generate any video, including cutting an imaginary corn glass and turning them to apple. And this is so unique because now you can make use of an idea to create your own videos. You can even fly a plane from your picture. Now there is a free AI tools that you can use to generate any video without watermark, without having to pay for any of this video. And guess what? This can be monetized, so get very good revenue from your social platform. So today I'll be showing you these free AI tools that you can use to generate all these video, especially the trending videos all over the internet and even your baby podcast. So let's go.
All right, so you go to your Google search engine, and you search for PixVerse AI. Yes, PixVerse AI. That's the name of the AI we'll be using. So, PixVerse AI. So, if you are new, you register with your email, and every day you'll be given 60 credits. Yes, 60 credits each. You can see this is how the interface look like. Remember, if you're new, you log in or sign with your email. You register with your email. So you can make your video longer, up to 5 seconds or 8 seconds. Most videos stop at 5 seconds, but this one can generate 8 seconds video. Now, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You can see 360, you can see 540, you can see 720. Now you have 880p. All right, and we have it in different size: 16 by 19 by 9, that is for YouTube, and we have 4 by 3, 1 by 1, and 9 by 16, that is for Facebook and TikTok. Now here's the camera. So you can even direct the camera how you want the camera to look like. So you can see some of the sample, and you can recreate some of their videos. Say if you are short, or you are short of ideas, yes, you don't know what to do with creating any content, you can just go through their video, turn your images into video, and it will just give you what you want or what you are seeing already. So you can see some of their videos. Then there's auto speech. So you can write your own speech if you don't want to come out, and it will generate it for you. So lovely. Then we have their style. So you can even change a picture into a cartoon style, change it to a comic style as well. Then you can alter your motion to the way you want your motion to look like. So these are some of the settings that if you are interested in changing, you can do, and that is why it's so unique. So you can do one of these there to your setting of any of your video that you might want to go into. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are still watching and you've not subscribed. So just like I said, every day you have 60 coin. So let me show you an example of one, so that okay. So these are some of the things you have every day. You have 60 coin. If you watch their short videos on any of their maybe YouTube or platform, they give you 30 coin. So even when you run out of credit, you can watch their video, do one or two things, and then you get more coin as well. All right, so you can see some of the videos they've generated. This is just wonderful. You can see this is extraordinary. You can even turn some of their videos to you can use some of their templates. Yes. So now here is image to video. We have text to video. Yes, we have text to video. We have image to video. So this is template if you want to use text to video, then image to video. Okay. So you can see you upload your image and it turn it into a video. So then you have the one that transition. Maybe you want to change a boy to a girl. You have an idea of how the beginning will look like and how the end will look like. You can make use of it. That one is so lovely. We have fiction as well. You can upload 4 to 5 or 3 pictures, and if you just mix them together. This transition aspect is what I just love so much. Then we have the one where you upload your videos and it extend. So, for example, you want to continue a video, or you just want somebody to come down from a plane, and they can make funny things. So let me make use of one here. So let's use text to video and see what we're going to have, so that you see how this AI work. Okay. So let me write generate this PixVerse. So I'm going to generate a fine, or what can I come up with? Okay, a fine young boy. Okay, boy is fine. Okay, okay. All right, let's use boy, guys. Generate a fine young boy. Okay, boy. Okay, in the village, no, in the jungle. In the jungle, a fine young boy in the jungle playing with, what can he play? Playing with a lion or animal. Playing with a lion. It's a lion. So I just want to test. I want to test run this so that you will see how fast this video can be and how quick the response is. You can see your video is generating. Unlike other AI that take 20 or 10 minutes just to generate a video. You can see other templates as well. Like what that guy did now, if you want to do it, you can turn your picture into that exactly by just using the template. Okay, so you can see the video is ready very fast. In less than 30 seconds, it generates your video. So let's say your video is going to look like, wow, wow, this is lovely. Wow. So this is PixVerse guy. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video.